With the rise in energy costs, you want to do all that you can to keep your home from breaking your bank account. Stay tuned and I'll tell you how to keep your home from needlessly costing you money. In this video, I'm going to discuss how your foundation could be costing you money, how to tell if it can be more energy efficient, and what to do to make it more efficient. Before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. How does my foundation affect my energy bills? There's a few pieces that go into this, and there's a lot that can be done to help solve this. But number one is, if you especially are on a crawl space, checking your vents, making sure that those vents get closed in the winter, and then as it starts to warm up, open those. That'll help a tremendous amount with just your heating and air conditioning bill. The other thing is making sure to fully encapsulate or control the moisture in the space below your main level. This will help the humidifiers or dehumidifiers and be sure that your home's running most efficiently. One of the easiest and most common signs is cold floors in your living space or on your main level. This means that your crawl space is getting much too cold or your basement is too cold as well. So that's the easiest. The other one is you may see condensation underneath maybe a cardboard box after you leave it in your closet too long. Or even your windows start to fog up because the differences in humidity levels from the inside to the outside is allowing air in between inside your home into the exterior. One of the biggest things we see that makes the biggest impact for someone's energy in their home is encapsulating their crawl space, sealing up their vents completely, and getting a dehumidifier. This one controls your temperature, it controls your moisture in the level below your home, where about 60 to 70% of the air that's in your main level of your home comes from. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, Acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about your energy in your home? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.